Monthly subsidies for the elderly, known as Bia Pu Sung Ayu, are government-provided welfare for all Thai citizens aged over 60. They aim to help with daily expenses. All senior citizens have been eligible for the allowance, except government officials and state enterprise employees. The amount of the monthly allowance depends on their age. Those aged 60 to 69 receive 600 baht. Those aged 70 to 79 receive 700 baht. Those aged 80 to 89 receive 800 baht, and those aged 90 and over receive 1,000 baht. Each year, new senior citizens apply to receive the allowance. However, under the new rules, which took effect on August 12th, not all elderly people will be eligible for the support. The new rule states that those who do not have an income or do not have enough income to cover minimum daily expenses are eligible for the allowance. Recently, members of Thailand's Consumer Council have been voicing their opposition to the recent change to rules and want them to reinstate the old rules. During the hearing, the TCC Secretary General Sari Ongsom said that most council members agreed that the state should provide each elderly person with 3,000 baht per month, regardless of whether they have other income. Dr. Kitika Tipiyalai of Chulalongkorn University suggests that the pension should always be more than 3,000 baht a month, adding that this amount of money is mostly spent on buying food, which would help stimulate the economy as well. As Thailand is a country with a wide income gap and state welfare, Dr. Katika thinks that a pension scheme accessible to all elderly people could help narrow that gap and improve their lives to a certain degree. If we take a look back at some of the policies related to the elderly, many political parties have vowed to increase the subsidies and improve healthcare access. The Pheu Thai Party vowed to improve the 30 baht universal healthcare scheme. They said the program will be improved to cover all diseases, so elderly people can get medical services at the nearest hospital without having to wait in a long queue. Only an ID card will be needed and the services will be free of charge. Palang Pracharat Party announced that they will increase the allowance for the elderly to 3,000 baht per month for people aged 60 to 70, 4,000 baht per month for people aged 70 to 80, and 5,000 baht per month for those who are over 80. The United Thai Nation Party proposed 1,000 baht per month for all elderly people. It also proposed the building of more elderly care centers, recreation centers in communities, as well as tax cuts for companies which hire elderly people. Meanwhile, the Move Forward Party's policy is to increase allowances for elderly people to 3,000 baht per month by 2027. The allowance for low-income earners would also be increased immediately. Bedridden patients would receive an allowance of 9,000 baht per month to be paid from the Fund for Elderly People. Last but not least, the Thai Sang Thai Party proposed a pension policy of 3,000 baht per month, including a free healthcare program for all elderly people.